Hey, it's Adam the LED guy here, and you're probably wondering, what in the world does he have on his desk today? He's got so many LEDs back there and some up here, and he's got stuff all over. Yeah, so this is my DMX controller for lighting. So every year for Christmas, I've been increasing this show that I put on for the family. Confetti, lights, smoke, a smoke machine. Actually got a snowflake machine I'm gonna use this year. These are two controlled lights over here, so like if I want to control like what they're doing, then I can control these with the DMX board. This is the latest addition to that team. Okay, this is the Betopper. This is a 150 watt moving head beam, which I'm really excited about adding another one of these. I just wanted something that was bright. I wanted something that had a really nice tight focus, moving head beam that I could hook up. Got another cable here to be able to control it with DMX. Look, don't worry, if you don't have a DMX controller, then you can certainly use sound mode and then just let it go to the beat. Here's a little clamp here. User's manual, you're gonna wanna keep that because you need to know what settings things are. So channel 30 and channel 32 address lighting code. Yeah, it has the lighting codes in here. All these different colors and patterns, these are things you're gonna wanna know because that's how you control the light. So if you're doing like a wedding or something like that, and you want the lights to be consistent, or you want to be able to do a very specific effect, then that's where the DMX controller comes in. And that's what makes it very nice. Oh, this is a power cable, okay. Serious power cable. Look at this, man. This thing dwarfs my other lights. We've got like small, medium, and large. So I used to do sound and lighting for worship centers, and they've gotten so advanced over the years that you're like, well, what do I have what can I use at home? It does come with an XLR cable too, by the way. But these amateur products have actually done really well over the years. And the quality of this thing, I am just really happy. This is a very rugged aluminum chassis. Let me plug it in here. It has a full LCD display on the front. So if you have a smoke machine, this thing is the best with the smoke machine because it can just shoot the rays through it. That is professional. That is really nice. Okay. Okay, so just as a couple of statistics, the whole thing is 150 watts. This is a 100 watt LED beam. It runs color temperature between 10,000 and 12,000 K. Lifespan is about 50,000 hours. The beam angle is really tight, 2.8 degrees. It's one color wheel, 11 fixed color filters. And then gobo has one fixed gobo wheel with 11 gobos plus open. So that's all the different patterns it can do. The DMX signal input and output using a standard 3-core XLR. Fine. It's got a fan on it, which isn't running right now, but that's no surprise. If you're looking for a super bright moving head that you can use at events, maybe your son has in a band, or you want to just help out with weddings, or just have a really cool show for your family, check this bad boy out. Link is in the description.